Uh, Thank you so much. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Agustino Banakene. Today I'll be taking you through how to formulate list of figures. So without wasting time, assuming that these are the figures I have and tables, these are the ones I have, what you're seeing on my screen. So what we are going to do, you can go to reference. There are two ways of doing this. You can come to reference and then you say insert, you select insert caption, and then after inserting the caption, then you come here where it's written caption. That will be the title of your figure or your table. So in this case, we want to first select, is it a figure, is this a figure or a table? And in this case, this is a table, so we choose table. How about the position? The position of our table, where do we want it to be? Do we want it below or above? This drop down should be able to give us okay, this is above. It is already selected as above, so we can have it above. Then we go ahead and you create a title for your table. Let's say students marks. Students marks. Okay, can press OK. So there we have our title for that particular table. We can bring it. We can bring it closer. We can bring it closer. Let me see. So we can choose. Let's choose another one. Let's, for example, we can pick on this. I said we have two ways. You can just right click on a particular thing that you want to, or you go to reference and then you select. So in this case, we can right click. We can just right click from here. So it has brought us the option. So insert caption. Then we can select. This is of course a figure, not a table. So we can choose, should we put it above or below? We can put it above. Then we can give it a title. We can give it a title. Yes. So for example, we can say this is this distribution of students. Just an example of that. Then we move to the next. Our next is this one. So you can repeat the same thing. You can right click here. Then you insert your caption. You can choose, do you want it above? Yes, want it above. And is it a figure? Yes, a figure. Then give it a title. Let's say this is distribution again. Distribution 2. Okay. Like that. Then we move to the next. We select, right click there, insert a caption. We put it above, yes. And let's say it's also a figure. And here, so here, let's say just give it a title. Let's say the pelvic cavity. Okay, so after having done this, we can now go ahead and we display our list of figures and list of tables in a different page. Say we can choose this. So yeah, we can have it. Let's say just put my cursor here. Let's put my cursor here. Okay, let's have this here. So you can go to reference, then you select insert table. So we are now done with we have already put the titles for each of the tables and the figures, so we can now list our figures here. So in this, we just go to reference, which is already there, then we insert our tables of figures. So when you reach here, you make sure that the page numbers, the aligned page numbers and others, you ensure that they are all blue ticked, so that your work comes when it is showing the page numbers and they're properly aligned. Then you come here, you choose, you select which one do you want to put first. Okay, we can say figures, then click OK. So in this case, we have the two figures, and those are the two figures. So we can again say, okay, fine, now let's go and we make a list of tables. You still go back to references, and then under insert table, you come here, you insert your, you select table. Make sure the other 4 aspects that you are seeing are blue ticked, like include a label and number, right align page, show page numbers, like that. Then you just put. So here you have everything showing your list of figures, list of tables. Thank you so much for being with us. Please like, share, and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much.